Hi friends! In this video we are going to be putting together our Mother's Day bracelet. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of bright. Hi! Are you ready to make a bracelet for Mom for Mother's Day? So in the art bag, this tiny little bag is inside. And we're about to find out how easy or difficult it is to make a bracelet for Mom. I feel like it might be a little bit challenging because the pieces are so small. I didn't actually realize they were going to be this small when I ordered them. So you want to get a plate, like a paper plate or a bowl, and dump your beads into it. Okay. Okay, so I have the instructions here. Oh, they have a very specific pattern that we should do this in. Should we try to do it exactly like they tell us? Do you want to try? Let's do it. Let's try it. Doesn't have to be perfect, right? And if you want to do yours a totally different way, you can. But inside, you're going to see this piece of string. It's like invisible. It's so easy to miss it. So just give yourself a moment to try to find it. It's kind of stretchy. And you're going to need an adult to help you tie one end of it so that the beads don't fall off. Okay. I'm tying it 4 times because this is really thin. It's a very thin piece of twine. Okay, tight. Once that's done, you're going to use pinch your fingers. These are very small pieces. And you can see in there, there's also charms. Aren't they cute? It says, one charm says Mom. One charm says, wow, I need glasses. Mom is number 1. And the other ones say Mom. So we're going to follow the directions, or at least try. It says, go in this order. 1 blue bead. Okay. Did you find a blue bead? Remember, it doesn't have to be this order. It could be something different. Now, I just put the twine in the bead, and it's a little bit tough. How are you coming along? Were you able to get it in? Okay, just be patient with yourself. It might take a moment, but the whole of the bead is in the middle like we normally make. 1 silver flower bead. Do you see silver flower beads? Can you show me with your pincher fingers? Yes. Good job. Oh, that guy right there. Little tiny. Okay, so we're gonna put him on. I'm gonna put him on next. And then 1 purple bead. 1 silver flower bead. So another silver flower bead. And if these are really hard to get on your own, you might need to ask a grown-up to help you. Okay. 1 pink bead. Find the pink bead. 1 silver round bead. Those are the smallest beads I have ever seen in my life. I don't even know if you'd see it in the camera. They're so tiny. So pick one of those little guys up and put your twine through it. 1 charm. 1 silver round bead again. Okay. That one's a little tough for me to do. Got it, come on. Got it. Yes. And then we repeat, so we go back to the beginning. And the beginning it was 1 blue bead. So let's do, find a blue bead, put it on there if you're following this pattern. 1 silver flower bead. And if at any point, friends, you need a little bit more time, just pause the video, okay? 1 purple bead. One silver flower bead. Are you having a hard time with the silver flowers? Yeah. 1 pink bead. Oh my goodness, so small. So small. 1 silver round bead. 1 charm. For my second charm, I'm choosing the little heart one. It says mom on it. 1 silver. 1 silver round bead again, and then we repeat. Would you like to show me yours so far? It's gorgeous. Mom is gonna love it. She's gonna be so happy when she opens it, especially because you made it for her. Uh-oh. My knot at the end came out. If that happens to you, ask a parent or grandparent for help, and then you actually might want to use tape for the end of it instead of a knot, because we don't want to have to start all over again, especially if we're doing a specific pattern. It just said that and all my beads fell off. Has that ever happened to you before? Yeah, it's happened. I think it's happened to every single one of us. Okay. I am going to try to start over again. 1 blue bead. And if you're following along, I was at the end, so it's the timing is okay. You can just still keep following along with me. You just will get done faster than I do. 1 blue, 1 silver round, 1 purple. Do you think your mom's gonna like the colors of this bracelet? Yeah, I bet she will too. 1 silver round bead. Do you like the colors of this bracelet? Whoops, that one went on, but it didn't. Okay. One pink. So if at any point yours falls apart like mine did, you can just keep going with me, or you can rewind it. One silver round bead. We're gonna make this. It's gonna happen. We're gonna finish it. 1 charm, 1 silver round bead, and repeat. So we're going to start again with blue. A silver round bead, smallest bead on the planet. A purple bead. Silver flower bead. It's the little one that looks like a flower. Pink bead. And then a silver round bead. They're really hard to hold on to, huh? One charm. One silver round bead again. And that's the end. So we're going to start again with blue. Blue bead, silver flower bead, a purple bead, how are you doing? Are you getting frustrated? Yeah. Well, if you're not getting frustrated, awesome. I'm a little frustrated. Hopefully that doesn't happen again where they all fell off. That's no fun at all. Okay, so I just did a purple bead, so a silver round bead. And we're going to start over again. So we're going to start with blue. Silver flower bead is next. A purple bead. A silver flower bead. What I liked about these kits is the way that the beads look. I didn't obviously realize they were so small, but they look different than the regular beads that we normally work with, huh? They look more like fancy. I liked the charms in them. Okay, so after the silver flower bead, we have a pink bead. Okay. And then a silver round bead. A charm. This charm. Which charm are you picking? What shape is it? Pretty. Okay, let me start over. We're going to do blue. Grab a blue bead if you're following along. Silver flower. The silver flowers are easy to get on than the silver round ones. A purple. A silver flower. One pink bead. One silver round bead, not the flower, but the round one. I'm going to have nightmares about these beads. About these little round ones. They're so hard to get in. Get in. one charm. And then we start over again with the pattern. Blue. This will be the last time we do it. So start with a blue bead and then a silver flower. That didn't go on right. Ah! A pink. And a silver round bead. Do you guys hear the birds in the video? I have my window open right now in my office, and we have so many families of birds in my backyard. It's amazing. So silver round and then a charm. Okay, and then start over. So I'm missing a blue bead. I don't know if you are, so I'm going to use a purple bead. I'm going to wing it a little bit here at the end. I'm going to use a silver flower next. And I'm going to use one last round silver miniature bead. Do it? You did? Can you show me? It's beautiful. I love it. I'll show you mine. And then you'll have an adult help you to tie it. And the reason why it's stretchy material is so that it can stretch over your mom's hand onto her arm as a bracelet. So you have the adult tie it, and then once it's tied, you can put it in a box or a bag if you have a place that you are storing mom's presents. So every day this week, friends, I'm going to make tutorial videos, these videos, that are going to show you exactly how to make these gifts for mom. And remember, if you don't have to do it the same exact way that I do it. It's your creation for your mom, and you are an artist. You're very creative. And then once all of your presents are done, you can find somewhere to put them. Maybe a parent can get a bag or something for you, and then on Mother's Day morning, you can go maybe let your mom sleep in a little bit, and then you can take all these awesome presents to her and she can open them. Okay. Which I'm really excited that we were able to do this, even though we all have to stay at home and we can't be together. I wish I could be with you guys to do these art projects. Okay, I'm going to tie it one more time. And it says, when finished, tie the ends of the stretchy cord into a knot. It may be helpful to have a friend tie the knot while you hold the bracelet on your wrist. And then trim excess cord ends. It says you may add a drop of glue to the knot to make sure it's secure. So you can let your parent listen to that last part. Okay, we got it. We made Mother's Day bracelets, yay! All right, friends, I'll see you soon. Bye.